To successfully repair a burst pipe, follow these instructions. Remember to shut off the main water valve. The push coupling can be installed wet or dry. The damaged section of pipe can be no longer than 2 inches. Mark the section of pipe to be removed. Cut the section of copper tube along your marks using a tube cutter or fine-toothed saw. Make sure to cut the tube end square. Water may drain out. Deburr the tube inside and out using a half-round file or deburring tool to eliminate sharp edges. Clean the tube end to remove all dirt, oil, and grease. If you're using PEX tubing, you'll need to use a PEX stiffener to prevent bending. Mark the tube to indicate the proper tube insertion depth. Insert to a depth of 7/8 inch for half-inch nominal pipe or 1 inch for a 3/4 inch nominal pipe. The slip coupling has 2 marks on it, which indicate the slip end and roll stop mark. The slip end should be inserted first, and the roll stop mark is where the pipe will stop after sliding back. Push the slip end on the pipe until it stops at the roll stop mark. Use the removal tool to disengage the grip. Slide the coupling back to the other tube until it reaches the mark. Make sure the tube and fitting are securely connected by checking that the depth mark meets the release collar. That's all there is to it. Stay ahead of the flow with push fittings from Nibco.
In this video, we will be demonstrating how to repair a live pipe leak with the newly developed Belzona 3D mesh. For this repair, we used Belzona 1212 and a 3D mesh to stop the live leak. First, we use a file to prepare the application area and clean the surface to remove any dirt, grease, and other contaminants. The mesh is made of flexible plastics and can contour the pipe of any diameter down to 3 inches. We cut a hole in the reinforcement sheet to match the opening in the mesh. Next, we mixed Belzona 1212 until a uniform material was achieved. A layer of Belzona 1212 was applied around the gasket of the mesh. Additional Belzona 1212 was applied to the repair area on the pipe with a stiff bristled brush. The entire length of the reinforcement sheet was wetted out with the mixed product. Next, the 3D mesh with the reinforcement sheet was positioned on the pipe and aligned with the leak. The pipe was wrapped with the reinforcement sheet to secure the 3D mesh. The surface was then smoothed out using an applicator. Once cured, the plug was inserted and tightened with an Allen key. Our live leak solutions provide a safe and easy to carry out repair that helps reduce downtime and does not require hot work.